Hi ladies. Yes, today's video is devoted to all things hair because I get so many questions about what products that I use and so many opinions about my hairstyle. So today, the video is sponsored by Zuvi Halo hairdryer, and Allure magazine nominated them, not nominated, they awarded them Best Beauty Product of 2022. So I was thrilled when they reached out for me to try out this amazing hair dryer, and I'll share a little bit more about that later. But let's talk about my hair, because what keeps a woman of a certain age modern, fresh, and relevant? Our hairstyle. And you may have an iconic hairstyle like a pixie or a bob, but it changes every year. So what was current last year may not be current this year. And that doesn't mean that you have to go out and get a new haircut every single year. But you do want to stay abreast of what is going on with hairstyles, because nothing will date us or make us look stodgy or stale than an outdated haircut. Am I right? And you may not be as adventurous as me. You may not want to change your hairstyle as often as I do, but you do want to stay current of the trends. So last spring, I chopped my hair into a short shag. So that was my summer, or my spring and summer do, because it's very hot in Georgia and it's very, very humid. And I really have this, kind of wild, wavy, crazy hair. So since I do get so many questions about my hair, one of the questions is, how do I keep my silver hair from turning brassy or blonde? And that is very, very important. When you embrace your grays, when you embrace your silvers, we want to keep it very shiny and sleek, and it can tend to look dull and lifeless at times. So what products do I use to help enhance my grays? Well, once or twice a week, I use a purple shampoo, and I love Hair Biology. I've partnered with them many, many times through the years. So there's a purple shampoo and a purple conditioner, and I use those, as I said, once or twice a week. Why do I use purple shampoo only once or twice a week? If you use it more than that, it has a tendency to turn your hair violet or purple. Honestly, it really, really does. If that's what you want, if you want a little bit of a purple cast, by all means use it more than once or twice a week. But I really keep it to once or twice a week to just keep my grays gray, my silver silver, and I still have some of my natural hair too. And so hair products really do help keep us modern, fresh, and relevant. Another question that is frequently asked is, what if your hair is damaged, especially if you color your hair? What if it needs to be restored? What about thinning hair? Well, I have an amazing video about thinning hair that I'll link down below. But for restorative purposes, I use Olaplex, and I am really loving their Bond Maintenance Shampoo. It repairs and it strengthens and honestly keeps my hair in tip-top condition. It also has a conditioner. Actually, they have a whole system. It's numbered 1 through 6, and I think I've used all their products. But if you need some help with restoring your hair, as I said, keeping it in tip-top condition, Olaplex is amazing. And that's what I use in between the purple shampoo. And also I've learned, I've had toners put on in the salon, but L'Oreal has come out with an amazing product at home. And I talked about this in my summer beauty hacks, and I'll link that video down below as well. They have an amazing one-step, it's called Lay Color Gloss. So it's a one-step toning gloss that you can do at home in the shower. They sent me the silver white. They also have clear, and they also have other colors. But the one-step toning gloss, again, keeps my gray hair looking super shiny and sleek. One question I'm asked frequently is, how do I keep the luster in my hair that I had when I was younger? So we'll share this. So this, is, again, is a product from Hair Biology. So this is their Silver and Glow Silver Shine Serum. And I put this in right before I blow dry my hair. That really does, again, it just gives it luster. It gives it just that little oomph that we need. And so hair products really do help keep us modern, fresh, and relevant. I just want to thank Zuvi Halo hairdryer for sponsoring this post, because this is what allows me to bring you the most up-to-date content over here on YouTube. And for the past few weeks, I've had the privilege of testing out Zuvi Halo hairdryer, and I mentioned that Allure magazine awarded this the best beauty breakthrough product of 2022 too. So that's pretty impressive stats, and I have to agree, I am so impressed with the hairdryer. And one of the things I really liked about it, I have very thick hair and it takes a really long time, even with it very, very short, to dry. Zuvi Halo hairdryer has 5 different styling modes, including cool, and it has 3 different attachments to make styling a breeze. And to celebrate their Breakthrough Beauty Award from Allure magazine, they're giving away free travel bags for those who purchase hair dryers the rest of September. And don't forget to use code BETH10 to get 10% off. So now that we discussed some reasons why we want to keep our haircut very modern, fresh, and relevant, and the products to keep us looking the best that we possibly can with beautiful, silky, lustrous hair, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to style this short haircut. Let's get going. The first hairstyle is very similar to a French bob, and I absolutely love it. I don't necessarily wear this every day, but it's a nice alternative to my day-to-day style. What is Zuvi Halo? Well, unlike traditional hair dryers that use extreme heat, Zuvi Halo uses light care technology to quickly dry my hair, leaving it hydrated and healthy. Think of it like drying your hair outside in the sunshine, but faster. And for the first hairstyle, the French bob, I first go along and dry my hair with a round brush. But afterwards, and here's an important step that my stylist taught me, I come along with my hand and I use my natural scalp line to just put my hairstyle into place. And I'll flip it one way and then the other. And then at the very end, after I've finished with a round brush and then with my hands, I'll come along with a flat iron and touch up the sections that need to be a little bit sleeker and smoother. Voila, French bob. And if you like videos like this where I'm helping you enhance your hair and keeping it modern, fresh, and relevant, don't forget to hit the subscription box down below. Style number 2 is a nice alternative for when I want something very chic, a special occasion look, or just an evening out and about on the town. For the evening hairstyle, I take the round brush and I push my hair forward, but then I also make sure that I push it back. And I use the round brush to give my hair a little bit of lift. And one of the benefits of the Zuvi Halo is a lower temperature setting of 111 degrees Fahrenheit that doesn't sacrifice drying time and it's energy efficient. And I have to say that's my favorite feature about this hair dryer is the fast, quick hair drying time. It seems like with my thick hair, it takes hours to dry. A little exaggerated there, but love the quicker drying time with the Zuvi Halo. And the third hairstyle is what I wear day to day. And on my everyday hairstyle, again, I'm coming along with the big round brush and just making sure that my hair is smooth and sleek. And again, I'm coming along with my hands and using my tip from my hairstylist. And you'll notice that I have the attachment on with the hair dryer, and that is so I can really get very, very close to my hair without damaging it. So head to my description box and click the link to Zuvi.com because Zuvi is celebrating their award from Allure magazine by giving away free travel bags with the purchase of a hairdryer the rest of September. Thanks so much for stopping by today. Of course, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Leave any comments or questions that you have down below. And a big thank you to Zuvi Halo Hairdryer for sponsoring this video.